so different. Can a girl you show off to your niggas?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a lip gloss filling video. Today I'm fulfilling a wholesale order. I had already started. Oh yeah, for those of you guys who don't know, I'm now offering wholesale. At the moment I'm only doing squeeze tubes, 10 ml squeeze tubes, and I'll have my website link down below. So you guys can purchase wholesale with me if you're interested in starting your lip gloss business or expanding your lip gloss line. My lip glosses, they're made with coconut oil and vitamin E oil. So if you do have an allergy or if you're concerned with your customers having an allergy, I don't recommend getting your wholesale with me. But if you love nudes and shimmers and glitters, link down below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, so today I had already started to fulfill this wholesale order. I already did 20 of the tubes. It's 50 tubes total, but I was like, oh my god, let me film this because I haven't filmed a video in a long time and I know how much you guys used to love my lip gloss filling videos, so I decided to go ahead and film this little video for you guys. But if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Ashley. I am the owner of Shelly's Daughter Beauty. If you are new, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you guys can be notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. So my hands are already clean, but yeah, I have 3 colors underneath and I had already started the wholesale order. So I have 20 of the tubes here. I have 10 vanilla latte and 10 chocolate truffle. And then underneath I have baby girl, peaches and cream, and clear. And they're all scented. And on the website, you can pick which flavor and scent that you want. So definitely check that out. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna put my mask on. I don't know why I have lip gloss on and then I gotta put a mask over it, but I know y'all do it too. I'm gonna just have lip gloss inside of my mask, but at least my lips are hydrated, so. This is baby girl, peaches and cream, and my clear gloss. I had already started to, luckily it's on a clean paper towel, but I already started to fill up the clear, so I'm gonna do the clear glosses first, and then I'm gonna finish up the rest of the 2 colors. And I already have my clean tubes in these bags here. So these are my squeeze tubes, and then these are the caps and the lids. You can set this here so it doesn't spill out anymore. I'm gonna wipe everything down with some 91% alcohol. I always wipe off the edges first to make sure I get any excess lip gloss off. Because as you guys know, if you make lip gloss, it can get messy. I do this before I put the caps on so around the edges don't have like excess lip gloss on it. I'm kind of OCD. It makes me take a little bit longer doing, like when I'm making lip gloss. I've never been diagnosed with it, but like, I wipe down the glosses like 3 or 4 times with alcohol. And she ordered 50, but she's gonna end up getting 53 because with these 3 colors, there was actually enough to make 11 glosses each, and that's not an always thing, so don't expect to get a free gloss or extra free glosses whenever you get your wholesale. But if it happens to be leftover, I will add them in because I don't want to waste the product, you know? And I love and appreciate you guys, so why not send you the extra gloss? Alright, so now that all the slanted little tips are on, I'm gonna go with alcohol again. You know, I'm wiping off the tips before I put the cap on. My phone ended up dying while I was wiping down the tips and putting the caps on. Once I noticed my phone died, my boyfriend went to go get my charger and put my phone back on the charger and continued to record the video for me. But once I was done doing that, I just wiped it down one last time with alcohol, the actual tubes themselves. I wiped them down with alcohol, and then yeah, the next clip I'm actually packaging up a wholesale order. It's not the same exact order from this day, but they pretty much ordered the same exact colors, just different flavors. So I added that part into the video. Okay, you guys, so now we're on to packaging up the wholesale order, which is one of my personal favorite parts. So I have this 8 by 8 by 8 box, and I have some like packing paper at the bottom. If I remember, I'll link it down below. And then I use these bags that I got from Amazon. They're 8 by 8. They're both from Amazon. If I remember, I'll link both of them down below. They're pretty much like Ziploc bags. They work perfect for packaging these up instead of just putting it in a box and having them like move around. To move that out my way so I can package up the tubes first. And I put the tubes in this cute box to take a picture first. But for 50 tubes, I don't ship it in this box. I only ship 100 tubes, and then my starter kits in these size boxes. paper. There's some extra security in there. And then of course her thank you card and a business card. And then boom. And then I'm gonna close that up. Of course, some fragile stickers. And that is pretty much it for her order. If you guys do like videos like this, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for me, if you guys do wholesale as well and you just like watching these type of videos, comment down below if you have any other suggestions for how I should package these up. If you watch this entire video and you are still not subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button, which should be right here. So you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.